The Morava is a river in Central Europe, a left tributary of the Danube. It is the main river of Moravia, which derives its name from it. The river originates on the Králický Sněžník mountain in the northeastern corner of Pardubice Region, near the border between the Czech Republic and Poland, and has a vaguely southward trajectory. The lower part of the river's course forms the border between the Czech Republic and Slovakia and then between Austria and Slovakia. Geography. The lowlands formed by the river are the Upper Moravian Vale Horna Moravsky Val and then the Lower Moravian Vale Dolny Moravsky Val in Moravia. The Moravian Field a Marchfeld in Lower Austria and a Zahari lowland a Zahorská Nizina in Slovakia. The latter three are actually continuous parts of one large basin, forming the major part of the Vienna Basin. In the Czech Republic, there are some larger towns lying upon Morava, particularly Olomouc, Kroměříž, Otrakovice, Úzké Radíce and Hodonín. Downstream from here, the river flows along sparsely inhabited, forested border area, all the way to its outfall into the Danube, just below the Devon castle at the outskirts of the Slovak capital Bratislava. After 354 kilometers of its course, Morava feeds the Danube by an average discharge rate of 120 cubic meters per second, gathered from a drainage area of 26,658 square kilometers. The Morava River is unusual in that it is a European blackwater river. The river's longest tributary is the flowing in at the tripoint of Austria, the Czech Republic and Slovakia. The biggest tributary from the left is Bekva. Naming and history. Though the German name March may refer to marked border, frontier, the river's name more probably is derived from Proto-Indo-European *mori, waters. It was first documented as Miraha in an 892 deed. Indeed, the lower part of the river, downstream of the confluence with the Thla-Etoinander March, which today marks the Austro-Slovakian border, is one of the oldest national boundaries still extant in continental Europe. It was the eastern boundary of the Carolingian Empire, with the Avar Khaganate around 800, and from the 10th century onwards marked the border of the Imperial Marcha Orientalis, later Duchy of Austria, with the Kingdom of Hungary. At the times of the Cold War, this section of the river was part of the Iron Curtain, being the frontier between Austria and Czechoslovakia. 1997 flooding. In July 1997, the Morava Basin was affected by heavy stratiform raining, which lasted several days and caused catastrophic floods also on the Oder River Basin in Poland and Germany. In the Czech Republic, 49 people lost their life. More than 250 villages had to be evacuated and the total damage cost 63 billion crowns. Gallery.